Samsung Electronics is at it again. The company has repeatedly accidentally leaked the Galaxy Note 9 via China, Colombia, the FCC, twice, and lost a unit which resulted in the first hands-on review. But now Samsung has gone one step further and put the phone on its website. Picked up by the eagle-eyed SamMobile, Samsung has listed the Galaxy Note 9 on its support sites in France, Norway, Denmark and Finland. Ever the tease, Samsung's support pages only list the Galaxy Note 9 by its model number, SMN960F. But that matters little given we already know every major detail about the phone, including its larger display, additional storage and RAM and a massive battery. The bad news is these increases will make the Galaxy Note 9 heavier and thicker than the Galaxy Note 8. The in-display fingerprint sensor has been postponed until the more exciting Galaxy S10, and the core design has barely changed. The latter is a real disappointment given claims about the technology Samsung has to do better, but at least there's no notch. Interestingly, for my money, the most exciting thing about the Galaxy Note 9 isn't the phone itself but the potentially game-changing way its new S Pen will work. This alone may well be enough for May users to upgrade, especially in combination with a long-overdue big battery upgrade. Then again, it's noticeable Samsung has been far less sloppy about Galaxy S10 redesign and wallet-busting folding Galaxy X. Those devices will do more than enough to sell themselves.